Your iPhone can share its mobile data connection and essentially provide a Wi-Fi network to nearby devices. To do this, open your settings and go to Personal Hotspot. You'll see a toggle for turning on your hotspot, and you can set a password here so only authorized devices with the password can use your hotspot connection. You can use your hotspot over Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or through a wired USB connection, which is usually more stable and faster than the wireless options. That being said, the wireless hotspot usually works great too. After I've toggled on my hotspot, I can now use any device to connect to it. Another phone, laptop, it can be anything that's able to connect to a Wi-Fi network. My Android phone, for example, sees my iPhone 16 Pro in the available Wi-Fi networks, and I can connect to it by using my password. Now my Android phone is getting its internet connection from my iPhone. To stop sharing, simply toggle off the hotspot on your iPhone, and all connected devices will be automatically disconnected. Using your hotspot can drain the battery pretty fast, and it can also consume a lot of mobile data, so keep that in mind. And that's how you use your hotspot. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.